Encountering the unidentified network issue on Windows? Stay tuned for a quick guide on resolving this problem and restoring your internet access. Let's get you back online. Press Windows key plus A to open Action Center. Then click the airplane mode icon to disable the feature. If this option isn't available, press the Windows key and select Settings. Go to Network and Internet section. Navigate to Airplane Mode tab, locate the Airplane Mode option, and turn it off. Open the Settings app by clicking on the Start icon and selecting it from the list. Click on Apps from the Home menu in Settings. The list of installed applications will appear on the right pane. Select the antivirus program from the list and click on the Uninstall button. After the antivirus is removed, restart your PC and see if the problem has been solved. Press the Start icon, type Device Manager, and select the app from the results. Locate the Network Adapters section, click on it to expand, then right-click on your network adapter and choose Update Driver from the menu. Click on Search Automatically for Updated Driver Software option, and wait while Windows 10 downloads the suitable driver for your network adapter. Click the Start button, type Power and Sleep, and select Power and Sleep settings from the results. When Power Options window opens, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Now click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, then click on Save Changes. After doing that, shut down your PC. Wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on again. Press Windows key plus X and choose Network Connections from the menu. Locate your network connection, right-click it, and choose Properties from the menu. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server, Addresses option. Enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.